Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Autodesk Fusion 360. In this video we are going to talk about it, how can we insert a new component to our this scene, and you can also import the new components from by dragging and dropping here. And you can in this video I'm going to show you the new option which is right here, insert derive. Click on this and click on the component which you want to import into the scene. For example, I want to import this untitled name here file, and after clicking this it will redirect you to the component which you have saved, and select any component into the scene. So I have only one component, I am going to select only this, and after selecting this you press OK. After pressing, it will automatically adjust to the pivot point of this both. So there are two options to insert component into the scene. First is insert derive, and second one is the drag and drop. So this is how you can import new components into the scene. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel so that you can get new updates and new updates about videos which I'm going to upload in future. So thank you.